What's up YouTube people, welcome back to my channel. This is iPhone XS Max US version. Today I will show you how to adjust or fix iPhone XS Max ringtone slowing down before answer any call. Last year I made a video on this topic by iPhone X, but I'm making this video with iPhone XS Max because maybe some people are switching another phone to iPhone, or some people may have used iPhone older version, so no need to worry about it. It's not a big problem. So I'm showing what happens when getting any calls. Okay, let me show you how to what happens during call. Okay, see, ringer volume is too much louder now, and if I hold this phone in front of my face, then ringer volume automatically going down. So see, ringer volume is going down, and now ringer volume is very low. Okay, today I will show you how to fix it. Okay, it's pretty simple. Simply tap on settings and scroll down. You will find Face ID and passcode. Tap on Face ID and passcode and enter your passcode. And here we can see attention error feature. TrueDepth camera will check for attention before dimming the display or lowering the volume of alerts. Okay, if you turn it off, then your problem is solved. Okay, now I'm getting call again. Okay, I think this time. Okay, see, now this phone is holding right now in front of my face, but this volume is not lowering down. So thanks for watching.